Finally, the class is over. I'm so tired.
Same here. We have so many activities this week.
I agree. I have been working on an assignment since yesterday.
Me too. I already finished one assignment last night, but still have two more to finish.
You guys are lucky. I haven't finished everything yet.
Oh, it is because you always spend your free time on your phone.
That's not true.
It is true. We saw you watching video during our break.
Okay, maybe you're right.
Anyway, when was the last time we all talked together?
I think it was 2 weeks ago.
Yes, and Harvey wasn't here.
Oh, let's call Harvey right now.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you clearly.
Where are you guys? We're still at school. We're sitting together after class. Oh, I wish I could be there with you.
Why aren't you here?
I couldn't go early because I have something to do at home.
What did you do?
I helped my family with some work in the house. That's nice. How have you been? I've been doing well. I've been studying a lot these past few days.
Same here. Everyone in our groups is busy with the schoolworks.
I know you've been receiving many assignments lately.
So, what subject are you working on right now?
I'm working on our English activity. The grammar activity?
Yes.
Yes, we have to create a script using different grammar forms.
That's what we are doing right now?
We need to use SVA, subject-verb agreement, prepositions, pronouns, tenses, and also prepositional phrases, right?
That sounds easy.
Easy? We have been checking every sentence because we don't want to make mistakes.
Especially the subject-verb agreement.
Yes, the subject and the verb have to agree with each other.
For example, she studies every night.
And the study every night.
Right, a singular subject verb takes a singular verb, while a plural verb subject takes a plural verb.
Look at us. We sound like an English majors right now, right?
Anyway, what did you guys do last weekend?
I stayed at home on Sunday and I helped my family with some chores.
I went to the mall with my cousin.
I played basketball with my friends in the afternoon.
I studied for our upcoming activities.
Oh, it sounds like every one of us had a different weekend, right?
Yes, but we all had something to do.
I think my weekend was the most enjoyable.
Of course, you would say that.
We played basketball for 3 hours.
And you complain about being tired afterward.
That is because basketball is too difficult.
At least you have fun with your friends.
I think we should talk like this more often.
I agree. We are always busy with school.
Even though we have different schedules, we can still make time for each other.
We just need to plan our time properly.
And even if you're not with us physically, you can still stalk us through your phone.
That's true. Technology makes communication easier.
We should keep supporting each other in our studies.
Yes, we can help each other when someone has a problem.
And we can also eat together after class, right?
You always bring food into conversation.
Because food is important.
Right.
Anyways, I have to go now. I still have some work to do at home.
Okay, see you next time.
Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Let's go home. We have so many activities to do.
Okay. Good luck to your assignments.